Hello everybody, this is Danny's Hodges. I got a video here for the local people. Well, I got it for everybody. But this right here is, I'm watching Macon. And it was just showing the radar. But it just broke away from that. I want to show you something here. See the signal strength there wide open? Now before I say any more, I'm going to take the camera over here and show you out the front door. I've had somebody to call me alive about this before. You see it raining? And the wind's blowing. The wind's blowing is real bad. The rain don't hurt you too bad with an antenna. But the wind's blowing real bad. Now, this right here is the ultimate antenna. And that's channel 24. I'm going to show you channel 13. I'm going to tell you something now. And there's a lot of people made this mistake. They said, well, I'll run out there to Walmart and get an antenna. You won't get no antenna like this right here. I'm telling you, you won't get an antenna like this. I'm going to go to channel 13. I don't know if they... Well, you see right there it says tornado alert, but I'll show you the signal strength. I'm going to turn that down because I don't watch that channel. I don't watch that show. Alright, look at that right here. That's full blown. Well, it went down. But you see the signal strength? You can expect that in this kind of weather. But look how it goes right back up. That right there is the ultimate antenna. I sell them here in Dublin for $85. Okay, I'll back the camera back out. I'll see if I'll show you some more. Now, we normally get about 21 channels. That's Dublin there. And then that's some kind of a new channel right there. It's real low powered. But here's channel 41. And you know, there's 541s. And you know what else? Man, these people, the wind's been blowing my, that's my doorbell there. It blows at my gate. Every time my gate opens, it goes off. But, man, the wind's been blowing my gate open. But that's me TV right there. But what I was going to say is there's people right here in Dublin, Georgia, and you'd be surprised that don't watch nothing. I mean, they got DVDs or something like that. You would be surprised at how many people try to give me DVDs. Let's check the signal strength on this right here. Now this channel is not as strong as the rest. Well, it's wide open. But that channel right there is not quite as strong as the other ones. But that's the ultimate antenna for you. And like I say, I've had a lot of people, and I mean a lot, that went out there to Walmart, they just gonna bypass me. And that's alright if that's what you want to do. But like the other person in the household told me, it's most time it was women that would go out there and get an antenna from Walmart. Then the husband or the boyfriend told me that that's what they had done doing. But I'll go back here to back to 13. No. And hey, that's back to the radar right here. So if you're seeing this tomorrow, I think the day is the 6th. But you see it right there. Now I'm going to go back and give you an overview of what you just seen and clear a few things up. I do want to go ahead and tell you, this right here is Augusta TV station. You'll see the emblem in a minute and you can check that out. But I live like a little below Middle Georgia. And that actual TV station, that Augusta TV station, Augusta's in Georgia, but the actual towers is in South Carolina. I I don't know why I always forget to tell y'all that. But that's what the signal strength is for Augusta. And I've got a rotor and it's turned toward that way. And this is the day after, you know, the video you just seen. This is the day after. Now that was pretty bad yesterday. The schools is closed today. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you something here. What I wanted to show you is the wind. Now see, that's picking up over 100 miles away in there on that TV. And the rain don't hurt you bad, but like the wind blowing can move your antenna around. And even if it's stable and sitting in one spot, it'll still act up in the wind, even if it's not even moving at all. I'm Danny S. Hodges on Facebook. If you want to look me up, I'm wearing a blue shirt. I got holding two drumsticks up. I also sell this ultimate antenna on eBay. I will put a link in the description and in the comments. Okay, now, this is a few minutes later, and I'm about to wrap this up, and I'm going to show y'all something else. If you got an ultimate antenna and you 30 or 40 miles away, you don't need no channel master booster. It will overdrive. If you over 50 miles away from the TV towers, that's the booster that you want to get. But you can't use it close up. If you are close up to a TV station and there's a station way out yonder that you want to get, all you can do is put an LNA 100 on it. Now, you want to do as good as you can do with your TV antenna and booster, but there is such a thing as too much. Now, as the day goes on, it'll feel that all the way up, you know. A signals come in better at night. But see, I got a booster. Everybody here where I live at's got a booster because we 60 miles away. And y'all, this ultimate antenna, I don't know how much dB gain it's got, but it's got a lot. It's got a lot more than any antenna I've ever seen. Okay, here's that all-in-one. I did have it on eBay, and I took it down because I think they quit selling the 2-input RCA boosters that you have to have with this, because here's a transformer here for the VHF, and there's a transformer there for the UHF. And what you're doing is you're using the whole bottom of this for UHF, using this for VHF. And that booster was beautiful. But anyway, I'm going to put the Mega all-in-one back online, but it's going to come with a combiner instead of a booster. If you want a booster, you're going to have to add a booster. A lot of people don't need no booster. But anyway, this one comes with the cables and everything you see right here. It's going to come with all this. And I will have this back up on the e-store in a day or two. But see, I got to make an instruction video for it and everything. So that's why it'll be a couple of days from today. Now I want to show y'all the clock here. That's what time it is here. I've been laying on the couch resting. And I worked on the video a while, you know, edited it and all that. But it's done got, you see what time it's done got. And I've flipped back up. Well, I didn't ever change the channel. But this is that Augusta channel. Now, look how much the signal strength has went up. Now, like I say, now that's 100 miles away. But like, now that's where you can scan and just get a whole bunch of channels when it does that right there. And don't forget, y'all, I got kits on the e-store And then I got the full antenna. You can get either one. And I'll put a link in the description that'll take you directly to the e-store. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all next time.